Today I will show you how to install unknown applications. I mean that you download from Google Chrome. Okay, and let's show you the problem. Okay, I will go to downloads. Okay, go back. Applications here. As you see, SnapTube here already download. As you see, it cannot be installed. Okay. First, enable developer option. Okay, and open EFT. If you don't have EFT, I can share it with you remotely. Okay, just wait. Recheck. Okay, now go to settings. Look for install, and choose install via USB. Okay, slide down and accept this condition. Okay, as you see, it is asking for Ethernet, connect Wi-Fi. Okay, as you see, it is accepted. Now let's go to EE. Okay, install APK. Click start. Let me close this up and open it again. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, now go to general APK manager. Click start. Okay, now look for, okay, download SnapTube from here. SnapTube APK, download it from here or here. Okay, go to download, open here, notification, your phone, click install. Okay, just wait. As you see, it is installed here. Okay, just go back, make sure it is installed. Just wait, don't touch, don't disconnect your phone. Okay, now as you see, SnapTube is working. Okay, I will show you my contact if you need it. Okay, or my channel. My channel is this, devices fixer. Okay, devices fixer, devices fixer. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. If you want this service, contact me via this number. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye for now.